I will start daily code show because I think this is a very good name to start a show about. And what we I do today? Again, I will do with my framework, and actually I'm gonna make a project and everything. I probably do many things very much right, so probably there is no issue. I have no idea because let's see how it's gonna work. Let's create a document, first a folder that actually just okay. Let's get a new folder which name daily show, maybe something like that. And new folder. Oh, need to know. Open a terminal and copy, paste, and the project name is the the because framework is the, and it's basically a meta framework. I'm not into. I doesn't actually thinking about that when I'm actually trying to make this, because I just thinking a startup thing that actually expand on everything. So you can actually make a relations tables and it's actually work on everywhere, and it give be every kind of binding that should be available. That's it. Whatever. Let's start this. And this is the, and now it's everything installing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, it has to be installed that also. Okay, so code the, and let's see this. So first of all we has to go for this folder. So not storage, in database we have a model. You can see we have 3 models that has different kind of things. For models you can see our data, our maybe something I have no idea right now, but actually I put it here. Oh no, set up that. 1 second. Now what config? Oh yeah, schema. So we have schema, name, table, enable column, additional. It's the additional column. If we want something like that has to be 0 or 1, so you can actually use enable. Or you don't want to delete anything, you can actually use slug, additional slug. So slug means it's just gonna create a slug. There is nothing here because we doesn't need that. You can actually create an additional SEO. So as slug actually gonna create just a slug data type. That's a string data type that actually names slug, and which has a varchar 2 to 5. SEO gonna create a title and description. So but you can use the both side of thing. In the CRUD we have this thing, and we can actually use some kind of like roles type of system here also. And in this thing we have CRUDAP, create, read, update, delete. All means read all, P mean put mean kind of insert and many things. So I have one more thing, but I'm totally forgetting about what's it used, so I doesn't actually put it here. I will whatever. You can see there's a three, four things here. We just need to run some thing here. Let's just okay. So okay, some like that we can actually use like first thing we has to use like install. What we need to do that here. So we have many things here, like we if we want like solid thing we should use this. If we want some kind of like PHP thing we should use PHP. And this thing we has to this. And I mean I think this is an Angular thing, it's not a PHP thing. So it is Angular thing. So if you want to that, or this is additional Angular thing, and this is a npm install. If you're gonna use something like we has to use something for our template system. We have just is some kind of template system. Let me show you. And I think what should I need here is this. And oh no, not this. Maybe this and this. And that should be, oh no. Mm, let's save this and use php.setup. Oh no, there is some issue. Oh, okay. And also we need to change some config also, because we doesn't need Angular here. We just gonna show you in pure PHP here. So we have configuration that we need to change in the front end. We actually put saying we are saying we need to Angular here. We doesn't need Angular here. Oh no, we doesn't need Angular here, and just that's it. And now if we run this, let's clear this and we run this again, there is nothing here. Everything's done. If you want to migrate this to database, then you have to just go to config and I think I need to change that. Some like demo X. I think I have something like demo X database, and we just need to go to setup and say uh, maybe migrate and yes, migrate. That will be it. And if we do that, oh no, I probably has to. Okay, there is some kind of config structure definitely. JSON set JSON recorder. This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. OMG. This is definitely not it. So this is totally wrong. It doesn't has to do this way. In the constructor, let's do this. Config. Let's go to migrate and not that. But new MySQL is like that, but we has to do something like a directory. We have to show that. Let's just use this. Maybe this is a right thing, I think. Let's see. There are more dir. OMG. So these are thing actually. Let's see this and I think these are there. Something is happening here. Okay. Definitely this is a double quote and this is single quote. That's the issue. Let's use double quote here and use this, and instead of we're gonna use this, and if we save this, let's see it's gonna work. Let's clear this again. And okay, so we can see this is some configuration that I need to update. In this we has to first of all and compile MySQL. So what actually I updated, so basically env things, and there's also env things, so mostly env things. I know there should be some kind of issue because I doesn't actually check it's working or not. Yes, I came this stream unprepared because why not? Where's that? Let's go this here and start. Yeah, now this is everything is in database, everything there, and now we has to use some real-time things. So यहाँ पे हमने template use करा है. So we have a templating system here, and the templating system is kind of like it compile in PHP. So I write every code in HTML here, and you can see this is HTML, and but it's compiled in the PHP side of things. It have many things in the pages, like in the dashboard, it's like that. In a about us contact, oh, I has to change something. There are some kind of values there like these, there are value like that also. So there are many things, and these are totally different, and some kind of again, this is there's more than one thing that you can see here. So for that, we has to actually check for any kind of update. For this, you has to use uh, Linux. Right now you can actually use some, in the previous version we have PowerShell script also, but I ditched it because I'm not longer actually work in PowerScript, power that's what that's name is. What that's called? I forget about it. PowerShell. I doesn't actually work now with PowerShell right now. I only work with Bash, and this notify bit is very easy to understand compared to whatever the PowerShell is work. Everything is object there. It's like wow. I can't able to understand one thing here. I just do it and it's kind of work, but I don't even understand it. So whatever. So you can see this. This is thing, and this is we need to do. So we have to use some real time system. Let's clear this and use real time.sh. OMG. But before that, we actually need to use npm. So first of all, let's exit this, and so npm IMs, because we has to install some things here. Reason is very clear. Oh, I think I actually use this npm. Didn't I use npm install? Didn't I use that? I have no idea. Whatever. Let's maybe let's use. Let's see whatever it's do. Okay, so basically I doesn't actually run this function. I has to run this function. Oh, okay. Now it's running, and I has to do one thing more. No, I think it's clear. I think so. Or now you has to use real time dot sh. So okay, so first of all, one thing is going saying that show. What's this? Where was this in the PHP? There is no route. There is route pre. There is a route pre, and web. This web there. There's route compile also. What are they saying? The compile maybe not. Is it not? 1 second. Oh no, this doesn't actually install that. It has to install it there, but it doesn't actually work that way. What? Doesn't actually. Doesn't real time work? Oh no, real time also does. Fuck. Let's cd php composer install. Okay, so now it should work. Okay, everything is kind of work now, thank god. So we can see there's a, first of all, this composer should work, so it has to be in some kind of like PHP thing. So cd php php composer install, and that should be it here. Let's update it on our, is it compile page? No, it's not. It's template php. Let's put it here. Is it so we have to use this also. Install it. We have to do that. Okay. Oh, there's a real time thing or something. working directory PHP, something like that. And so this should be that. So this is the we have to find one databases here. Oh, first let's update this. And so now it's kind of working, but we has to actually set this to so we can actually do something here. We can actually we can use so let's we just use okay, this is something this here. We doesn't has to use this because this is totally different purposes here. And let's use something like how to use that. There's storage here. Oh no, there is no storage here. It doesn't actually create a storage. Oh no, it doesn't create storage link. Oh no, why it should be there? Oh no, I has to once again. Let's. So in the PHP, PHP and storage, we create a storage. I don't know. Cannot access PHP storage. What the hell? Why not? There's no. Oh. Is it there? No. Cannot access. There's no storage here. It should be. No, and I think it's a LN. So, killer symbolic ring. Listen, maybe some. I forgot about this. LNS. LNS symbolic. Let's search again. PHP storage. Storage. Oh no, why not? What the? Oh no, it's not working. Let's cd PHP, maybe something can be there. Storage cannot access storage. No file directory. Storage. Storage public. ज्यादा और तेज बोल ले. इसका कुछ करा तो था मैंने, मुझे ध्यान ही नहीं आ रहा. Oh, I think I create something in the PHP setup. Okay, in PHP I probably has to update this. I has to do in the PHP setup. Maybe I create some create symbolic. Maybe SYS symbolic. Oh. As a symbolic, this is like that, and but there is no function here. I have some function about this. Let's see. I have old code also where it's work. So let's see. PHP. Sys SYM. Symbolic maybe. PHP. Oh no, there's something like that. It's not. Let's go to PHP setup and some. Let's go to setup. Maybe let's see what we are doing in the PHP setup. So this is PHP set, and the PHP set is there's nothing there. Okay, so it's totally constructor. Everything is the constructor side of it. So symlink directory storage public. And it should be inside of PHP. And maybe I should set up now. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. I cannot. Oh no, there's nothing there because this is totally different folder. And no, it's created. There is a where is the PHP? In PHP we has storage and storage actually got to. So what we use here? We has to update now. No template. Now compile and we compile. We has to use PHP set and update this code. The one-liners code has only changes here. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else need to change, and that will wait. Okay, so okay, PHP set update. Go storage link to public. So problem. Okay, so where's this link? Oh, how I has to go there also. Open container folder. Copy location. Copy location. Copy location, and first of all we have to go sudo and vim etc host. Okay, so first of all we have many codes here. We can actually do many things. Just use something special here. We have also the.com. It doesn't have the.com, maybe something like that. Okay, sudo nvim etc httpd config d. What's the name? Oh, so we have someone like this, and see there, and you just copy this and paste it. Copy. Control Shift V. No, Control. Control Shift V. Oh no. If I copy this, copy location, and it's kind of work. Oh no, Delhi shows has some kind of issue. Oh no, this can be issue. Let's go Delhi show and open folder. really sure. The That's it. It should work now. What's next? Uh, though and PHP. Let's copy this again. Should I can use public also if you have if I oh there's a public there. Public's actually working, but OMG. Oh no. I should not use this now. Okay. I understand why I doesn't use this. Let's just don't use this. The storage. Oh, delete this. And it's kind of working, but uh, what am I doing here? It's totally messed up everything. Where I am? Uh, don't do anything there. Oh, okay. So let's cd php, cd php. No, PWD. The dot the if I mm, uh, sudo okay, it's kind of working. So if I do dot com, it's not working. Should work. So I do something bad here. The thing is, home is. Mm, hmm. Uh, I think I should use public HTML there this because I think I actually maybe let's see first of all it's gonna work this way. It doesn't work. It doesn't want to work this way. Okay. So first of all, uh, let's cut this daily show from here because it's definitely not working here. Go to public. Maybe they're going to work. I'm not sure about this anymore. Whatever. I'm just throwing everything. Let's see what's gonna. This is public HTML. Why there's a root show? Oh, there's one word. It's just a thing happen here. Let's copy location and that's funny. Let's be the public HTML list. Maybe it's gonna work. Maybe not. Oh, it's kind of working. The one thing is not working is Bootstrap. Let's see console. Maybe some. Oh, it's like that also. Also, we has to update this on the structure of this. Yeah. Okay, open that. And in the config section, I think we has to change something. The and so the.com. So and we has to do php.setup.php. That's why not. So okay. First of all, it has to use public. That's kind of thing, and that actually I'm not using here, doing here. So that can be a terrible thing. So first of all, let's copy this and paste it here, and let's new file it, which name is index.php, and let's use require php index. Let's see how it's gonna work. I can symbolically answer, but I will. 1 second. I has lsn on public storage to storage public cannot use no such file in directory. No such file in directory. Storage public. Public storage maybe. What the hell is wrong with it? It should be symbolic. Maybe LNS. Is it gonna work that way? Oh no, I don't think so. What a rush. Storage public. So maybe yeah. So. Target file and link name. Target file storage link. Definitely, this is it. Oh no, it's shown like that. It's like that. And public storages exist. But public has anything storage? Doesn't feel like that. Where is created that? Where is public storage exist? Public has storage. Where is public has a storage? Let's open the content folder maybe. Let's delete this. Uh, Storage public. Definitely, there's nothing there. There's a symbolic link. Ah. Oh, this is. Oh no, public has. But this is totally wrong. Issue is this. If I do that, there's storage link there. Okay, so this is a link that actually I need to use on our installation. I'm not sure why actually I removed this, because I pretty sure actually put the, and also I used two there, so it's PHP. And create public symbolic link. So from that. Let's uh, again, it's up to you how to use that. I doesn't has to use that. uh, Install with link. And one thing I has to do, uh, um, instead of let's use public here. Okay, so let's restart this now. I hope it's gonna work this time. Oh no, it's not working. Should I do something bad here? Did I use? Okay, there is no index there. There should be index there. Hmm. Uh, can I use something like if in the PHP side of thing? So instead of using this, because we know he has to use something like that, and then public index.php, and it should be on the PHP index.php. Can you scanning work? Yes, it can work probably. So should it work now? Yes, it's kind of working now. So okay, our looks at works. We can actually check our dashboard. Oh no, dashboard request is not found. For that for request, there is something still kind of needed to work there. Uh, it should be, this suffering should be remains only for an hour. So first of all, I has to actually use this function. Hmm. Okay. Add PHP symbolic link. Installation. Yeah, next will be, let's clear it out first of all, because definitely it's work. That's great. Dashboard still not found. We can't found that dashboard because thing is there can be two things. First of all, htxs it doesn't have whereas we can save it, put it here, and if we do that now we can, okay, so dashboard actually going to login. Okay, it's kind of working, but there's a things that still is not 100% working right now. Hmm. So let's in 50 minute. So today is very bad for our showcase. It's kind of like too bad. Every time there is a mistake, because thing is actually I rewrite many things to actually, it should be in the composer side of things. It doesn't actually include everything in there. It's fine it's actually very good. I think it's very good for many purposes to do this way, because we can actually update our packages that way. I think this is the best thing to do. Let's talk it again. Okay, bye. I have to work some. I have to eat. Dinner. I have to actually set different time of this work. Maybe I should take a break. In 20 minutes, I can eat. In 20 minutes, let's the market break. No, it's kind of like, it's kind of boring thing to actually take a break. Uh,